Welcome back, weekenders, and welcome to our room tour of the Mills House, Charleston. It's part of the Curio Collection by Hilton, and it is a gorgeous hotel. I do want to point out that it was valet parking only. It actually worked really great and wasn't too expensive.
All right, let's show you around room 203 at the Mill House in Charleston, South Carolina. So you come to your right, you're gonna see your bathroom. It's got a sliding door, which is awesome. Nice big bright vanity. Got your towels down on the bottom. Got a stand-up shower. You can see that the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel are already in there for you. This shower is really nice. I love the tile in this bathroom. All right. You've got a closet to your left when you come inside. Just some storage. This is where your safe and your hangers are gonna be. They've got some robes. I know it's super dark, sorry, but they've got robes right there. Okay, I wanted you guys to see the room a little bit better now that we've got some sunlight for the first time in a few days. When we first checked in, it was super dark, it was rainy, so I don't think you guys got a great view of the room. I apologize for the messy bed. We've obviously been sleeping in it, so let me just kind of take two of the room. You've got your fridge down here. It came with a couple waters for us, but this is your coffee station. This is our TV. Just to kind of hold some extra stuff, a little bench underneath. You've got a full-length mirror right here. Really nice sitting area. These chairs were super comfortable. I pulled them in front of the mirror every morning to kind of do my makeup. But this is the couch. You guys can see that houndstooth pattern a whole lot better. And the Hey Y'all pillow. They've got pillows like this all over the lobby with Southern phrases on them, and I need every single one. But here's the room.
There are two dining locations at the hotel. The Iron Rose, where this food is from. We ate there the first night and it was very enjoyable. There's also the Black Door Cafe. It's more of a quick service location, but we had some of the best gelato we have ever eaten from there on our second night. This hotel was amazing, right in the center of Charleston, walking distance to almost everything you could want to do. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And most of all, enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next time. Bye.